Balance Numeric 480. Brooklyn Projects 2025. Together, New Balance Numeric and Brooklyn Projects have successfully reimagined the Numeric 480 high top, creating a skate-ready form that skillfully combines practicality and eye-catching design. With references to heavy metal and thrash culture from the 1980s, New Balance's most recent endeavor enhances the high top design, building on the success of their Numeric 480 low partnership with Premier. The tough black denim and high-quality leather combination of the sneaker offers both longevity and a distinctive look. The toe box and collar are decorated with denim, and the leather overlays provide structural support. The sharp contrast created by the white stitching, laces, and branding highlights the shoe's daring design aesthetic. It will then relaunch on March 10 for $125.